Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the RentCheck app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. RentCheck is a rental inspection app designed to simplify property inspections for both landlords and tenants. It allows users to document the condition of a property with photos, notes, and checklists. Whether you're moving in, moving out, or conducting a routine inspection, RentCheck helps ensure everything is properly recorded and stored. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is cleanly designed and easy to navigate. Users appreciate how it eliminates the need for paper forms and in-person appointments. The guided inspections make it simple to cover every area of the property, and once submitted, both parties can access the full report with timestamps and images. It's especially useful for remote property management and saving time on logistics. However, some users report occasional bugs with photo uploads or syncing issues. There have also been minor complaints about slow updates or reports not loading quickly. Another limitation is that certain premium features, like automated reminders or PDF exports, are behind a paywall. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, RentCheck is worth using if you want a simple, digital way to manage property inspections and reduce disputes. It brings transparency, saves time, and offers a clean record for both renters and landlords. Just be aware of its limitations if you plan to use it heavily or rely on advanced features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.